Absolutely. Here is a powerful 800-word motivational speech specially written for your English Boost Motivation YouTube channel. It's inspiring, clear, emotional, and perfect for English learners of all levels. Motivational Speech, English Boost Motivation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Boost Motivation. If you are watching this video, it means one thing. You want to improve your life, and that itself makes you special. Today, I want to talk to you heart to heart, not as a teacher, but as a friend who believes in you. Many people are afraid of English. They think English is difficult. They think English is only for intelligent people, rich people, or people from big cities. But let me tell you something very important. English is not difficult. Fear is difficult. No one is born speaking English fluently. Not me, not you, not anyone. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once confused, shy, and scared just like you. They made mistakes, they forgot words, they spoke wrong grammar, but they did not stop. And that is the difference. Most learners don't fail because English is hard. They fail because they give up too early. You might say, my grammar is weak, my pronunciation is bad, I feel shy when I speak. That's normal. That's human. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. When you make mistakes, you are learning. When you speak broken English, you are building fluency. But when you stay silent because of fear, you stop growing.
Let me ask you something. When a baby learns to walk, does it fall? Yes, many times. Do we laugh at the baby? No, we clap, we encourage. Then why are you so hard on yourself? Learning English is the same process. You will fall, you will make mistakes, and that is perfectly okay. Don't wait for the perfect grammar. Don't wait for perfect pronunciation. Perfect is the enemy of progress. Start now. Start small. Learn one new word today, just one, because one word a day means 365 words in a year. 365 words can change how you speak, think, and express yourself. You don't need big books. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need to live abroad. What you need is consistency. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Speak English with yourself. Talk to the mirror. Describe what you are doing. Think in English. Speak even if your voice shakes. Speak even if people judge you. Because people will judge you whether you speak or stay silent. So choose growth. Remember this. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Every time you speak, your confidence grows a little. Every mistake you correct makes you stronger. English is not just a language. English is a tool. It can open job opportunities. It can help you study abroad. It can help you use the internet, learn new skills, and connect with the world. But more than that, English can give you self-respect. When you can express your thoughts clearly, when you can speak without fear, your whole personality changes. You walk differently, you think differently, you dream differently. Never say, I am too old to learn English. The brain does not expire. Never say, I am not intelligent. Intelligence grows with effort.
Never say, others are better than me. They just started earlier, that's all. Your journey is your journey. Don't compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Some days will be hard. Some days you will feel stuck. Some days you will feel like quitting. But please remember why you started. You started because you want a better future. You started because you want confidence. You started because you want change. And change is never comfortable. If it were easy, everyone would do it. So when it feels difficult, smile, because difficulty means you are growing. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Show up every day even when motivation is low, because motivation fades, but discipline builds success. At English Boost Motivation, we believe in progress, not perfection. We believe in effort, not excuses. We believe you can do it. So keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing. Your English will improve, your confidence will grow, and your life will change. This is English Boost Motivation. Learn English, build confidence, change your future.